Okay, listen, I wasn't gonna say anything, but birds aren't real. No, seriously, they're spy drones, government-issued, feather-coated surveillance bots. You ever seen a baby pigeon? Exactly. They don't exist. They charge on power lines and follow you around like they're mapping your every move because they are. One time I waved at a seagull and it nodded back. That's not normal bird behavior. That's facial recognition acknowledgement protocol. Wake up, the sky's full of cameras with wings. Stay hairy, my friends.